Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI to create a YouTube thumbnail. And you may be wondering, what is this on my screen? Guys, the application or the tool that we want to use to create this is vidIQ. Now keep in mind that you need vidIQ Premium or Pro to basically use these features. So if you would like to have the luxury of this, then you need YouTube. Then you basically need to have the vidIQ Pro. Right, so all you have to do now, guys, if once you have that, you want to go ahead and go to the thumbnail section in the left hand side here. Just simply click on thumbnails, and here you have the option to either add a video to create a thumbnail from that, add a subject to create a thumbnail, or simply add a reference. That's basically another thumbnail that you can simply add here, and it's going to create a thumbnail out of that. How cool is that? Now let's go ahead and use the basic text. Let's say I want to ask it how to use Windows PC. All I have to do, just simple type in whatever phrase I want, and I just need to click and create. Now this take a couple of seconds or up to a minute to generate for you, because it's going to generate multiple options. And as you can see in the upper right hand side, it says creating. So you just need to be patient and allow the vidIQ AI to do its thing. Now I'm going to kick back, sip a glass of Prosecco, and just wait for it to do its thing. Now let's wait, and yeah, once it's ready, you're going to see what those options are like. Here you have it, guys. I don't even get a chance to sip my glass of Prosecco. But here it shows you how it gives you some options, and it says Windows PC guide. Have a look at the first one here. You can simply click on that if you like it. So you don't have to waste time anymore, guys, to go ahead and create thumbnails or figure out what to make. You can use the power of AI to create them for you. And there are many options here. So if you want that, you can also go ahead and you can refresh, and it will recreate for you. So let's say I don't like any of these options. I can simply click on refresh, and it's going to go ahead and do its thing again. And yeah, you can basically go ahead and get multiple different options here from this. But that's basically it, guys. That's how to go ahead and use AI to create a YouTube thumbnail. Very easy and very simple. I like this option. I click on it, I click on download, and guess what? It is downloaded on my computer. I can open it, and you will see here it's on my separate screen. But this is the new this is the new YouTube thumbnail that I've downloaded by simply saying how to use Windows PC. Easy and simple. That's how you use AI to do it very fast.